the amazing component about the GemLightbox Pro is that we've captured 3 angles of this amazing ring, and also one beautiful white background 45-degree video as well, showing the amazing details on the front and side of the ring. Hey guys, so today I'm in New York with Nilesh from Nice Diamonds, and we're going to photograph some of his amazing jewelry pieces with the new GemLightbox to see what that looks like. Nilesh, did you want to go through some of the amazing jewelry you have here and what you do?
So the first one that we just took a video of, this is an antique ring with old European diamonds right in the center. We've got a nice another ring with natural green diamonds. The color is natural with a GI certificate. This one is a natural pink diamond oval ring. This one is a vivid orangey yellow diamond.
So let's see what the first ring looks like inside the GemLightbox Pro. Place our phone in front. We're going to adjust our phone stand, and we're going to tap to record. Amazing sparkles. You can really see the nice color of the green as the jewelry is rotating. Now, the amazing component about the GemLightbox Pro is that we've captured 3 angles of this amazing ring, and also one beautiful white background 45-degree video as well, showing the amazing details on the front and side of the ring. So let's move on to the next ring that we have here. So over here we've got an amazing orangey yellow diamond ring. We're going to place this inside the GemLightbox Pro. Very simply, we put our phone in front and tap to record. Just to show the camera the amazing details of this ring. Beautiful diamond and beautiful colors captured using the GemLightbox Pro. So next over here, we've got our beautiful pink diamond triple halo oval cut. Place this phone in front, zoom in a little bit more. So before we tap to record, we are going to turn on slow mode and tap the red button. So over here, you can see the beautiful round brilliant cuts around the pink oval diamond. And the next piece of ring here, we've got this amazing fine detail craftsmanship European design diamond ring. Put our smartphone in front and tap to record. So you can see very quickly, we're able to capture 3 different angles of each ring. Beautiful 45-degree video. In just minutes. Amazing jewelry as well. Thanks again, Nilesh. Good to see you always.